where we have shown that from the last 2 days, US market and the Japanese market are falling very heavily. Japanese market Nikkei is falling 5% daily basis. Japan is the only nation which instead of the rate cut has increased the rate, and the US market is falling to 2% daily basis because of the expectation that the country might be entering into recession, just because of the two indicators, unemployment data and the PMI data. And now they are saying that Fed has done a is doing the late is might be late in doing the rate cuts. Stock market tanked Friday over the fears of the United Nations could be leading toward the recession after the data showed US market jobless data. Wall Street dependent losses that previous day, the tech heavy Nasdaq briefly dropping as much as the 3% in the morning, with the blue chip Intel company 25%. So highest fall in the IT companies done by the Intel, which is fall by 20% and only in the 2 days, and it has published that it will be doing a job cuts by of the 1500 to 2000 people. European market closed sharply red. Amsterdam it's more than 3%, Frankfurt 2%, Paris to 1%. So European market is also falling. The Tokyo market has finished about 6% lower due to the strongest yen and the proposed interest rate hike in the Japan. The dollar weakened against the only major currency. Oil prices fell more than the three. So Brent crude prices also falling. While the weaker labor market raised the chances of the US Fed Reserve to cut the interest in the September, it will all other data weak fueled concern about the health of the world weakest economy. And just like that, market worried about the US economy suffering hard landed, briefly center. So the biggest economy of the world is in this tension, and might be they are saying that might be entering into recession. But in the 2023 they have also faced this situation, but considering the best economy in the world, they have overcome this situation multiple times. And just like the market worried about the US economy suffering hard, a sober market didn't need any more cold water poured into, but it is exactly got into July unemployment report with a headline. The Fed it's likely to be lending rate in 23 high Wednesday, but the chairman Powell that it may be first rate cut in the September. So rate cut might be at 0.5%. Currently it is 4.2 something. The Fed has the 4 month been looking for compatible with the inflation as well as rate down labor market before cutting. So the reason for the not doing the rate cut from the 8 to 9 session that they were comfortable with the inflation data as well as the unemployment data, labor data. It is the largely has been conflicting. It could be really a soft landing, slowdown of the economy without tripping into the recession. The situation now shift if the Fed cut the rate, how much they will cut, said the labor market is livelihood US economy, and the Fed needs to ensure that they don't weaken too slowly efforts. The United States added 1,40,000 jobs last month down from the June figure out, and employment rose to 4.9% according to. So the overall unemployment rate in the USA is something 4%, which is far less than the Indian unemployment. In India we have 8 to 9%, and global trend which for the developed nation is to 4%, but still US is highest 4.3%. It is the world largest economy. It should have the all the major sectors should be educated as per the global sentiment. In following, the US sector shrunk faster than the forecast. That came another report showed that private sector created a fewer jobs than expected. So it is the private sector which is doing the lesser job creation, and also the introduction of the AI is leading to the high unemployment in the market. The IT's company are introducing more and more AI, and which is taking the job from the person. Like Intel is also maybe doing the high job cut in that. Investor also dealing with a disappointed earnings session. Big tech key drivers globally rally help the many market multiple. So another reason is that their tech companies like Apple and Nvidia are not able to give the good results as expected by the market, and the which AI thing is not able to generate multifold revenue as it was expected. Only the Meta is able to do so because of its great present by the multiple apps like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and Threads. Around four of every six person, one third of population is using the Meta apps. Share in the US chip Titan Intel shrank announces slash more than 15% workforce. About 18,000 it is remain operational. Firm report that. So the Intel will be doing the job cut of the 15% of its workforce. Tokyo tanks in the Asia where markets closed before the late of the US data. Tokyo led jobs. The Nikkei tanked 5.8%, the biggest drop since the start of the pandemic 4 years, owing to the stronger yen, which has the Nikkei. So Nikkei is also falling in this market. All these indices are very bad.